So the universe of Naruto was split in half with dualities like Hagoromo/Himura, Indra/Azura Naruto/Sasuke, with Kagaya being the physical manifestation of the beginning of the shinobi world. Boruto takes this to the next level. Shirbai might be taking Kagaya's place in Boruto. If you split Boruto down the middle, there's two different opposing philosophies. One is the ideology of evolution and progression, while the other one is embracing our roots and remembering where we came from. Ishiki in his entirety represents evolution in the next stage of life. Everything he has done was to progress and evolve as quickly as possible. He wants to be immortal, a god. He uses sciences and, of course, the Otsutsuki power to eat chakra fruits and reach Shirbai's power level, which is similar to how Uchiha and Naruto ended up racing to Kagaya's level with their focus on absolute power. Everyone is trying to eventually reach Ishiki's level or surpass him. He is the standard. Those who joined Kara or are a part of Kara follows this ideology even if they don't realize it. Amato, who says he isn't playing God, is literally playing God with his creations. For example, Kagaya, instead of evolving further, ended up lowering herself to the human level, reproducing with them, creating a family. She did end up using humanity for the infinite Tsukuyomi, but it was for their own protection. She chose to make the sacrifice of turning them into Zetsu to possibly fight off Momoshiki and Kinshiki. Knowing the clan was coming for her, she still didn't eat chakra fruits but used humanity's power to prepare for this battle. The Kagaya explanation isn't perfect, but regardless, I believe the reason why Kagaya betrayed Ishiki was because he broke clan rules in order to progress as fast as possible. He was willing to do anything in order to evolve, and I believe he ended up taking Shirbai's body from wherever it was buried or mummified or resting in order to place on Earth and become an instant god. We know that a chakra fruit absorbs the chakra and genetic data collected on a given planet. All it would take for Ishiki to instantly become a god would be to bury Shirbai on Earth and then eat its chakra fruit. He might just instantly ascend if that were to happen. This is why he promised Kara wishes, because it's true, he isn't a wish granter yet. He is trying to obtain wish-granting power. This is meant to be foreshadowing. He is trying to obtain omnipotence, or rather he used the explanation of omnipotence to sway Kara into helping him. Kagaya saw what Ishiki was doing and betrayed him because she was against breaking clan rules to that degree, or maybe she was already tired of the way of life there anyways. Or possibly both. So she attacked him while he wasn't looking. But I believe Ishiki stored Shirbai's body inside his time-space in order to stop Kagaya from ever using him, keeping Shirbai completely to himself. That's why it's available in Boruto. Kagaya is now taking the blame for Ishiki's actions while Ishiki is still thirsty for evolution. Makes sense he turned to Amato. Amato being under the influence of Ishiki's side of the duality. I believe this is why events are happening the way they are now. Tradition versus progression. Roots versus evolution. This is for today, guys. See you later, and do subscribe.